to lay my troubles down into the sea, but they followed me way down. I heard that voice from the shadow, was an old familiar sound. I had a notion I could leave my life behind. Try